Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super relevant topic for 2025, Sophie Invest versus Robinhood. If you're trying to figure out which brokerage platform is the best fit for your investing goals, you're in the right place. We'll break down the key features, pros, cons, and help you decide based on your needs. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about fees. Both Sophie Invest and Robinhood offer commission-free trading, which is a huge win for beginners and pros alike. However, Sophie Invest stands out with its integrated banking perks, like high-yield savings accounts and loan options, that could save you money overall. Robinhood keeps it simple with no account minimums, but it might nickel and dime you with payment for order flow or premium features in their Robinhood Gold plan. Next up, investment options. Robinhood is fantastic for stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto, making it a go-to for diverse portfolios. It's especially user-friendly on mobile, with real-time data and easy access. On the other hand, Sophie Invest offers similar assets, plus unique perks like access to IPOs and fractional shares, which is perfect if you're just starting out. For 2025, expect Robinhood to amp up its AI-driven tools for better predictions, while Sophie might focus on holistic financial planning, including retirement advice. Now, let's look at user experience and security. Robinhood's app is sleek, gamified, and intuitive, which can make investing fun and engaging. Think instant notifications and educational snippets. Sophie Invest, though, provides a more robust platform with advanced tools like automated investing and personalized dashboards. Both prioritize security with features like two-factor authentication, but Sophie has been expanding its customer support, offering 24/7 chat in 2025, which could give it an edge for those who need help fast. So, which one is right for you? If you're all about quick trades, a mobile-first experience, and keeping things simple, Robinhood might be your pick, especially if you're into crypto. But if you want a comprehensive financial ecosystem with educational resources and integrated services, Sophie Invest could be the winner. Ultimately, it depends on your investing style and long-term goals. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 investing tips. Let's grow that portfolio together.